Glass of lemon show.
A little?
Please. Please, please.
Where's the grease? Huge. Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe, yes, 100, sure.
I've never
Because
seen that tall.
it's a clock, you know. It's woody.
I've never seen a tree that
Hello.
wow.
Go ahead, go around.
It's nice in the summertime, it's nice in winter. When the sea is very rough, and it's nice when there's the sun, not too much. Because the July month here is like desert town. This is a Michelin guide, my stars in 19, long time ago. Nice to say, like Frank Sinatra says, a long time ago, and this is a long time ago. It was a good Michelin. Now the Michelin has been changed very much, too much.
That's the best one.
Grazie mille.
You didn't forget how to cook though, did you?
No.
You didn't forget.
Well, it's very difficult to forget. But the best thing to do now is very difficult, madam, to find a good food. Not when you cook or when you buy. It's so difficult. Mice is not good. So you have to grow something, especially the chicken. The chicken is very dangerous.
Wow.
You know, in Italy, from the June to the end of October, because they give antibiotic. And so it's better stay a little away. I'm talking about it. But then we have many other things good. So we do we cook the bread. We do the bread with the machine. The mice, we never know where it comes from. Indonesia, Russian. I hope not to cry. It's not a nice moment for the kitchen. I hope you have a wonderful night. I hope you will leave Cap with a good memory. And I'm with all my friends. I'm doing all the best until really you be able. I try. Thank you. I take off my hat after needed.